Today we're going to do a makeup get ready with me. We're going to do this look. It's quick, it's easy, it's really not that hard, there's not that many steps. I show you exactly how the Max Factor Skin Luminizer goes on and applies. Wait till you see that. And also I used my bronzer Poreless, my Le French Glow by Lancome, my Wonder 2, and instead of using a light pale Age Rewind eraser, I am now into medium. So I do medium. I also have dark if I want to contour, and I have neutralizer if I want to lighten it up. So there are many colors of this that you can use. And I prep my eyes before I did anything. I clean my eyes, and I love to do this. It's a soothing eye wash, especially for swimmers. It just irrigates your eyes. It makes your eyes feel so good. If you feel a little itchy and you think maybe you're getting a pink eye, you do this at night or in the morning and your eyes will feel refreshed. And then I use my creams, which I'll show you while I'm doing it, and I hope you enjoy. So let's begin. My first step is moisturizing with my Essence by PAYOTE. And my second step is the vitamin C with ferulic acid. And then the Genuine Glow. And they are all fabulous for firming, toning, and moisturizing your skin. Next, I'm going to show you the Luna, but before I put it on, I'm going to do my NYX eyeshadow primer. I love it. It comes in white pearl, white cream, flesh color, and black. What I love about it, it makes your shadows last, but not only that, it makes your shadows pop, and it also smooths out your eyelids. Look at that. Look how smooth. So smooth and even. Now that is a canvas. Now I'm using the Luna, and I am moisturizing my face. Next, I'm taking one of my blending brushes and I am putting on one of the light colors from the Jacqueline Hill palette. Now, I don't start in the crease. I start near the lashes because I want some depth by my lashes. And I will slowly build up to the crease because I don't want to blow the crease out. I want to keep it as contained as possible. Now I'm adding a little darker color to the corners. I need to hold my eyelid because it's a little wrinkly there. I'm taking my black Milani pencil and I am tight lining, and then you see how I'm making the wing? This is so easy. You just go right in the corner of the eye where the eyelid meets the bottom and you just pencil it right out. It will all be blended. Now I'm taking the medium shade and was putting it on the bottom, and I am blending. Now I'm blending up and around. Next, I'm taking this YSL mascara. It's called the Shock, and it's in the color blue. It was sent to me by YSL through Octoly for my review. Where do you see this? It is the thickest, beautiful, richest mascara ever. I have never tried the blue. I've always gotten the black. Now, this blue kind of looks black, and I'm swirling and swirling, and I really don't need fake lashes. Now I am trying this new brush, which is by DOCOLOR, and it is a magical foundation brush. I am so excited to try it. So I put a little spray on my brush, and then I put my Color Science sunscreen. Now comes the fun part. This is the Max Factor Skin Luminizer, which I feel is a dupe for the YSL All Hours. If it's not a dupe, then it is one of the best foundations I have ever tried. All I use is one pump, and I just put it all over, and then I start blending. And with this brush, it goes so fast. Now see? You see the coverage? You see how it just sticks to my face? It just stays where you put it. I absolutely love this. Look at the coverage. Also, this has line blurring. It will blur all your imperfections. And this foundation only costs between $9 and $11. Just look, when you put this on, you will look so different, so flawless. I love it. Now, just an option, you can tap and bounce your beauty sponge all over the face, and I use the really big one. Now, what I love about this mascara, the Yves Saint Laurent Shock, is that you can add it later. You can go back. It's not too crispy. Ooh. Ooh, look how long my lashes have gotten. This is from the Lash Grande Serum. Ooh, they're so long I could cut them, but I won't. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I did use blue mascara, and you see that it's really not that blue, but in the sun, it really beams beautifully. And, and only subscribe if you smiled. If you had one little smile, then I'll ask you to subscribe. If you didn't smile, no problem. But my goal is to get you to smile every video. So I hope that happens. I want you to be happy out there, and I want you to smile. Have a great week, and I will see you next week. And remember, you are beautiful, because I can see you.